Hey again, let's go talk in this video about this marker. So if you click on this marker, I give you a title, marker is in Sydney, because I give a title here, marker in Sydney. The location of this marker, see here, in this location in the map. Why? Because here I give it that latitude, longitude, latitude. So you know every location in the map have a specific longitude and latitude. So I define that longitude and latitude, and then I add marker in that location. So I said map dot add marker, then I add that location, then I move the camera to that location, because if I don't move the camera to that location, it will not show me the Sydney. It will be in the default location. Now I want to replace this one with image. So to replace this one with image, I have a specific process to do. First of all, I need to create folder. The folder, so I go to the resource, new Android resource directory. This folder already been there. Name it drawable. So if you look here, search for drawable, this one. This drawable will hold any addition images or files that I want to use in my project. So make sure to create this folder if it's not already created. When you create it, all you have to do, just go to the or Kotlin Udemy that we have it in the GitHub. You would see you have two folders, Android and Kotlin. Android assets, you would see map app. He give you these 4 images that I want to use them. So I just copy them, Control C, go here, click Control V. He say, hey, we want to add them. I say yes. He will add these 4 images. So from first one to the end one, be less. So I have this image now. This one will represent Mario. So I want to use Mario. Okay, how I do that? Just basically, I have this my map. Then let me see. The location, I will not change it. The here, just let me add in multi-line. I define my new marker. I add it as a Sydney, which is this one, Sydney. I give it longitude, latitude. The title for it, I give it this one. So I change it to me. And I could add more, which is that snippet. Some details. Here is my location. Then I need to add more details, like I want to add something about the picture. So I say dot, that for the picture, to define the picture of me, I just say icon, then I give it the icon for which is Mario. So I want to add this one here, Mario here. So how I do that? Just saying bit this way, bitmap factor, bitmap directory factory. I know that bitmap descriptor directory. Then I say dot from resource. Then I give it the resource that I want to add it, which is r dot where is located in drawable. So r dot drawable dot Mario, r dot drawable dot Mario. So I give it this image. Also, I could define the location for it, but for now I have it by default. It's going here because as you know, we wanted to go there for now. And also I would change this one. You see, he moved after he defined my object, defined picture, defined everything. He moved the camera to that location. But what I want to do, I want to zoom also, because if you see when he ran for first time, he was showing us too much like far away. So to make it go to that location, when he say map dot move camera to that location, instead new longitude, make it a new log lat with zoom. So select this one and give it the location and also how much zoom you want to do. I want to do 40f. You could do zoom from 1, wait a second, Sydney, then semicolon, then 40f. You could do it from 1 to 24. Whenever you increase it, he will be more like near to the location. 14, it will be near. If you make it 18, you will make it near. Then every time you increase the value, you make it more near. Yes. So this is basically how you define any marker. To define any marker, just you say it var, name of your marker, loglat, the location of your marker. Then you define a map. That map you have it already here. It's coming with own map ready. Then you add marker to the map. You say new option and you give this option, position, title, snippet, and icon. See, here is it. If I just click on it, you say me, here is my location. Me, the title, snippet, here's my location, and here's my picture. So this is great. I get his picture from here. See how much he like near to it, because I did zoom 14. If if I did zoom like 10, he will go like a little bit far away. When I increase it more, he will go near. So yes, this is very basic thing to how I could add marker to the location. See how much I'm far away now, but I don't care about this. This is too much for me. 14 near to it because I want it to be near my location. So yes, this is very basic example of how to use marker and how to read it. So let's go to the next location, and instead of getting this as hard coding, let me get the real location of Mario.